We're going to study in this session joint variation, whereby we are going to examine the percentage change in a variable when the other variables relating to it has been altered following given percentages. For example, we are told that three variables t, x, and y are such that t varies directly as x and y inversely as the square root of y. Therefore, we can first of all write that t varies directly as x and inversely as the square root of y, which means now t equals to, we introduce a constant of proportionality times x, then we divide by the square root of y, Now, we are told that to find the percentage change or decrease, for that matter, in t, if x decreases by 4, so we got a new x now, such that it has decreased by 4%, which means it becomes 96% of the original x, which is 0.96 original x. Then a new y, which is going to be y increases by 44%. So y is going to become 144% of the original y because it increases by 44%. So 1.44y. So with this now we can get the new t. Because t is changing, we can say the new t will be k multiplied by the new x, 0.96x, then we divide by the square root of 1.44y, such that now the new t becomes 0.96kx out of 2, because the square root of 1.44 is 1.2, but the square root of y is not known. Therefore, y remains under the root sign. So now to continue with this one now, we want the percentage change. And the percentage change in y will be given by the new y minus the original y divided by original. Therefore, the new y is going to be 0.96 kx out of 1.2 the square root of y kx out of square root of y divided by kx out of the square root of y. Therefore, the old t is this one. Therefore, we take the new t which has been changed and we subtract the original t, then we divide by original, and we express this one as a percentage because we are talking of percentage change. We express it like that. So therefore we can factor out kx out of the square root of y, then we remain 6 out of 1.2 minus 1 here, then we divide this by the square root, by kx divided by the square root of y, such that kx and the square root of y can cancel out. 10 times 100%, and this one will give us 0.96 divided by 1.2, 0.8 minus 1 expressed as a percentage. Therefore, when we subtract 1, then we express as a percentage, we are getting negative 20%, which means the value decreased by 20%. Therefore, when the change percentage is having a negative, then the negative indicates that the value has decreased. Therefore, instead of writing negative 20%, it is decreased by 20%. So the decrease is 20%. So to show us that it decreased. Therefore, that is how we go about such questions. Thank you for following. Subscribe to Shifting Grades and share this link with your friends.